All right, let's look at the case of our open loop switched system. An acceptance test technician comes to check this system. It is in a large daylit area. Here is the daylight that comes in and goes out through the course of the day. She determines that she's going to have plenty of light in here when she does her job to walk. So she realizes also there's no occupancy sensing on this. The shutoff control is allowed to be a timer, and the designer has determined that a timer is going to turn the lights on. So she goes to the timer and toggles the output prior to sunrise and puts a logging light meter in the space, because she's attended the NLCAA acceptance testing class and knows that this sort of a system is the only one you can test completely with a logging light meter. She turns on the lighting and determines that she has, and this is Scout's honor, I'm just going to read the numbers off this. She determines that she has a reference illuminance of 46.6. We'll call it 47. 47. She walks away. As dawn breaks and light begins to come in, we see 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 62. Oh, right there, we're going to see a notch. What's going to happen is we have the reference illuminance, sun begins to come in, stage of light snaps off, sun comes in, stage of light snaps off, sun comes in, stage of light snaps off, sun comes in, stage of light snaps off. The first snap off point is recorded as 51 foot candles. That is our first partial daylight course. As the sun continues to come in, we're up at 61. Bingo. We have 52 foot candles. 52 foot candles, recording it on the sheet. Sun continues to come in. 55, 57, 60, 63, bing. 53 foot candles. Writing down 53 foot candles, and when the last stage of lighting snaps off, she knows she's got her full daylight level, because it's the daylight level that took the last stage of lights out. So 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, and bingo. We have a reading of 54 foot candles. Okay, our reference illuminance, true no daylight, like that, just the controlled lighting on, was 47. Our partial daylight points, where each of the stages just snapped off, are 51, 52, and 53 foot candles, and the full daylight level is 54 foot candles. Each of these partials and the full have to be between the reference illuminance and 150% of the reference illuminance, which would be 65 or so, 64, 65. Well, we're easily within that range, so now she can fill out her acceptance testing form, and everything is happy, happy, joy, joy, as Ren and Stimpy used to say.